Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. You're listening to Nidhi, and in today's video I'll be demonstrating how to get that flawless base makeup. I hope this video is really helpful. Starting off, I first used a primer. This is the Blue Heaven Studio Perfection primer, and before this I had already prepped my skin with good amount of skincare. So skincare is really essential, you guys. Do your skincare and give it 10 minutes and then start off with your face makeup. So after the primer, I'm using the Wet n Wild foundation. So I applied it in stripes all over my face, and then here I'm using the Blue Heaven damp beauty blender. Now that's one common mistake. What people do is they do not wet their sponge. So you have to wet your sponge and remove excess water from it, and then use this damp sponge to blend your foundation. And while blending, as you see in the clip, I am bouncing the butt of the beauty blender. You're not supposed to swipe the blender across your face, you're just supposed to stamp it. And yeah, here on the neck I'm wiping anyways. So next, for the concealer, I'm using the Take Cover concealer from PAC Cosmetics, and I applied it right under my eyes. Now this is a skin tone match shade, so you can also use this anywhere on your face where you have still acne scars or pigment peeking through. So once I'm done that, I'm applying a little bit of the highlighting shade from the Maybelline Fit Me concealer just on the high points, and then we will start to blend the vertical plane of the face first, that is the chin, the bridge of the nose and the forehead. In this way, the concealer underneath our eyes gets time to sit and the coverage gets enhanced. So as you see over here, again I am just bouncing the beauty blender, and for the eye region I'm using the tip, that is the pointed side of the beauty blender, and with whatever is left on the blender you can also take it on your eyelids. So in this way, even the pigment on your eyelids can be covered. You need not use excess of product. So using the tools perfectly is one of the things that one must master. Next, for my eyebrows, I'm using the Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer and just filled in the sparse gaps. For setting the under eye concealer, I use the Fit Me Loose Powder from Maybelline and then set the entire face. Once that is done, for contouring, I'm using this bronzing shade from the Wet n Wild palette, and then just making that slight fish face. I am using it only on the perimeters of my face, in the hollows of my cheek, the jawline, the hairline, and just around the bridge of my nose lightly. So bronzing would just add up nice warmth and dimension back to your face. And then using this beautiful shade of blush from LA Colors and applying it to the apples of my cheek and merging it back into the bronzer so that it looks very natural. Then to coat my lashes, I'm using the Essence Lash Princess Mascara, and I use them to coat my upper as well as lower lashes. Don't forget your lower lashes. And this mascara is slightly clumpy, so I just clumped it out using a spoolie. And then for my lipstick, I'm using a nude shade because that just looks perfect, and I'm absolutely loving this Rimmel lipstick. I absolutely love it. The formula is to die for. Then lastly, I just use some cream highlighter on the tops of my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, and a Cupid's bow, chin. And then I use slight amount of the same highlighter on the inner corners of my eye and underneath my brow bone to highlight them. I used a damp beauty sponge. Now this highlighter is slightly glittery, but a damp beauty sponge just picks up all the glitter and you're just left with that glow and sheen, which absolutely looks gorgeous and natural. So yes, that's it. You can also use a fixing spray at this point. I completely forgot to do that. But yeah, that's my basic, simple, everyday, flawless base routine. If you liked it, then hit that like button. I'll have all the products mentioned in the description box if I forgot to mention any. And I'll meet you in my next one. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.